Okay, guys, what's up? What's good? Welcome back to my channel. This is another a weekly episode again, and where I'm here to document my trades and show you guys what I've been expecting, what I've been doing in the market basically, and my outlook for next week. I've been buying USDJPY, and I think by next week too, I'll still be buying USDJPY. So let's just go through the chart to see exactly what I've been doing and what I've been up to in the market. Okay, guys. Okay, this is my chart for USDJPY. And this week started right here. So where this week started from right here, and then I was already on the trade from last week. If you've not seen my last week episode, please do well to go and watch my last week episode. This week started from right here, so I took a buy last week from here, and then when the week opened, I held the buy up until this point. Yes, it was around here I exited, and then after I exited, I saw another buy here, so I bought, and I had my overall stop loss for the week. It was not here actually. My overall stop loss for the week was right here. You get all my overall stop losses for the week here right here. But then today is Friday, and I'm assuming the week is ending. So by next week, my overall stop loss is going to be at this current price of 14425 basically. That's where my overall stop loss for the week is at. So I bought here, and then price went straight into drawdown after taking this high like this. So I'm still buying though, because I don't believe the uptrend is over. So I'm still buying, and then if you go on the weekly time frame, you will see that okay, even though we were able to pull back, we got this high and then we pull back, the markets did not make any significant pullback, and then the lows of this area are still protected. Like the lows of these previous weekly candles, they're still protected. If you go onto the daily now, you'll see that it's just, for me, I feel like this is just a minor daily retracement. Same thing happened here. Get so a minor daily adjustment, and then continuing next week, I am targeting this high. My overall price for the buy is this point here. So as far as price has not gotten to that point, and then it's still bullish. Like as far as price has not gotten here, and this trend line is still holding. Mostly market structure though. On the 4 hour and on the weekly, they are still holding. I will keep buying, and then I'll have my overall stop loss. So by next week, if price should go below this point right here, I will consider that okay, we are no more bearish again. That is when I'll start. We are no more bullish again. That is when I will start looking for shorting opportunities back onto those points. So now let's go straight to my MC5. Now look at it. The first buy I took right here is the first buy I'm on. Now this was the first trade I was on. That is the one I entered last week and I exited this week. Look at it. This was the position right here, and then this was the exit. Now this week I also entered this buy from here, and then I entered here again too. And then lastly, I'm on this current position. You guys know how I do it. If you don't know how I manage my position, watch my previous, just watch my videos. You will understand how I manage my position. I scale in, I use the martingale system. So I have an overall SL for the week, and then whenever I get buy opportunity, I just buy and put my stop loss at that overall SL. Whenever I have buy opportunity within the week, I just buy and put my SL below that structure. So I don't like a situation where market is still bullish overall, and then it will give me a buy signal and then come down, take away my SL, and then give me another buy signal. I don't like it. So what I do is I enter here with a small position, enter here with a bigger position that is bigger than this one, and then if it still gives me another buy entry, I enter with a position that is bigger than the previous one, and then market can just likely come down and hit me out and stop me out overall. Do you get? So instead of, let's say I'm supposed to risk $10 here on this trade, and market goes and stop me out, instead of me risking $10, what I'll risk here, I'll risk $2. Then here I'll risk let's say $4. That's total, making it my total risk now will be let's say give or take $6, and then the last position now I can now risk like 7 or 8. So total now I'll then be risking like a little bit above 10, you get. But that's how I manage my risks. I spread the risks in all the positions. The first position goes with the smallest risk possible, and if the first position goes in my favor, no problem. I take the win and I move forward. That's how I manage my positions. So let's go back to MT5. Now, if you look, let's go to my history. If you look, the history, I didn't really do anything this week apart from closing this trade. I didn't do anything. My deposit is still 900, profits just 20 cents. Withdrawal, I've not made any withdrawal. So I'm still in profit of 20 cents though. Let's go to the exposure, the reports overview. So look at it. Total profit of 20 cents, and this is just it. Max drawdown 24%. Profit factor 1.6. Okay, so this is just it. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share, comment on it, comment what you think of my system, and then again, I want to really know what you guys think of my system. So just comment down below what you think of my system, and I will see you guys again next week. Bye.